So to ensure that you receive those updates when anything has been updated on the course, say there's a new news item created. Now your screen's going to look a little bit different than as mine. Mine, I have the instructor screen, so yours is more likely going to look like this. So if I ever add a new news item, or calendar item, or update your grades, it's a really good idea to have your notifications set up. So how you do that, I'm just going to uncheck the student view and click the notifications here up. So underneath your your icon, your name up here, there's a button called notifications. And when you click to the screen, you can see that there's this Pulse app that BCIT now, I guess, is recommending. I haven't used it or downloaded it or done anything, so I don't know exactly how this works. It looks pretty straightforward. It's some kind of text-based app that receives notification activity in your course, so by all means use that if you like. I don't use those. I'm just going to show you how to set this up from scratch. So notifications are when you anything that you see listed here is updated in the course or any of your courses. So I am, I might post a news item, I might grade something of yours, and it's a nice idea if you're not already just kind of looking at the course page constantly, if you're not if you're not looking at the course page, say daily or every couple of days, it's a really good idea to have your notifications set up so you are being notified when something changes in the course. So, for instance, email notifications, you can have it go to your default BCIT or you can have it go to your personal one. I like to use my personal one because it will then go to my iPhone. And then it's not verified, so I need to probably verify that. And if you register your mobile and select your carrier and add your phone number, you'll get a confirmation code. It just takes a couple seconds, I believe. I think it comes in through your text. Just wait for it. It takes a second. I think it just takes a minute or so. But once this is confirmed, here it is. So BCIT has been notified, and and then you have to actually type in read here. And then once you add the read, you will get the code here, this one here. So copy and paste that code without the period, confirm that. Oops, what happened? Is that not the right one? Did I do the wrong one? Oh, you know what? I might have been doing it before, so there's a couple different ones here. Okay, it's probably this one. I was doing it a few different times. Okay, so that one worked. So I'm sure this is an email sent to me too, so I probably have to confirm my email and then confirm email address here. And now once you've confirmed both your texting and your it would allow now, so you can have it notify you, so either email you or text you, and either never daily or weekly. I like to do daily at 8 a.m. because I'm usually up about 8:30, the very latest. So that means that I will get a text or an email at that time. And say for you guys as students, things like content has been created, updated is going to be very important. Now I'm creating the content, so I don't need to be updated when that happens. But I like to be updated when somebody posts a discussion, and I like to be updated. And I would recommend for you guys to have, if you have your grades released or updated, as well as the news items updated or available. So make sure that these grades and these news items are checked. And if you prefer an email, just check the email box. If you prefer an SMS or text message, check that box. And you can go through this list to see which ones pertain to your likes and your wishes. So for me, like I said, I like to see when you guys post a discussion. I don't need personally any grades. And then there's nothing really else for me. Things like content created and update is going to be important to you. Assignments, feedbacks released. Those are going to be the most valuable ones. And then if you have courses that you're no longer active or need any updates or notifications about, just make sure that you manage your course exclusions. And if you want, allow future courses to send me notifications so it's kind of automatically updated for future courses. And then plus save. And now, so when I post a news item, you will be automatically notified that I have done this. It won't actually come to you right now because the course hasn't started. Blah, 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 etc. And so once I posted that, or published that, you should receive, at whenever time you specified to receive the email or the message, you will be notified that I have actually published a news item.